So hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to edit a 2D mesh area using the geometry data editor tool in HEC RAS 2D for our flood modeling. So now let's get started. So in our previous video, I have shown you how to create a 2D perimeter flow area. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to edit it using the geometry data editor tool in HEC RAS. So now let's get started. And now I'm going to show you how to edit this mesh area. So in case if you want to modify this the previously created mesh area using the geometry data editor tool. So right now to do that, first is we're going to navigate to our 2D flow areas here. So I'm going to select this, and in that we're going to navigate to this option called perimeters, and I'm going to right click on this and navigate to this option called edit geometry. So now the editor mode is on, so which is indicated in the red circle, which is indicated here. So right now here in the top section, we have a set of tool that appears, starting with first is add a new feature, and followed by edit features, and next is the undo and redo, and this is the plot terrain profile, and these are the set of tools that is available in this option here, and followed by we have the edit mesh properties, and last is to recompute out of the date mesh. So right now first we're going to select add a new feature. So I'm not going to disturb the previously created mesh here, so instead I can show you how to edit the newly created mesh here. So for example, let me draw a random mesh here inside this terrain model. For example, I'm going to draw something like this. So I've drawn a random mesh here, and to finish it we have to double click. So make sure that you double click on the left key in your mouse, and I'm gonna give it a random name here. For example, perimeter 1 demo, edit, and perimeter 1 demo, and I'm gonna click OK, and a window appears here, which is a 2D flow area editor. So I'm gonna close this. And now the case is what happens if we created this feature and we are not sure it's right, or we want to make some adjustment to it. So to edit or make some adjustment to this existing the newly created mesh here, so what we can do is we can navigate to the second option called edit feature. So we're going to select edit feature. So once you selected the edit tool, the hand like symbol which appears in the cursor here, you can able to see that. Right now to edit it, first I'm going to navigate to any part of this mesh here, and I'm going to double click in the left key of the mouse, and now you can able to see all the points vertices which appears here in the mesh here. So now to make some adjustment to it, so first I'm going to navigate to this particular vertices here, and I'm going to click hold my left key, and I'm going to drag it out here, and I'm gonna click the left key again, and here again I'm gonna click here and hold it my left key, and I'm gonna place this point here, and I'm gonna double click. So you can able to see we have changed the point the vertices here. So we're gonna close this, and similarly again I want to place this particular point somewhere here. So to do that, again I'm going to click on this mesh here, double click here, and right now I'm going to select this particular one, and so once you've selected it, I'm going to paste it here, going to double click here. So make sure that once you double click on the edges of this mesh here, so make sure that you press and hold your the left key in your mouse, and drag this point here like what I'm doing here. I'm going to paste it here so you can able to see that, and similarly I'm going to place this point somewhere here. So to do that, again I'm going to press and hold my left key in my mouse, and I'm going to drag this point somewhere here, and I'm going to place it here. Similarly I want to place this point somewhere here, and I'm gonna press and hold my left key, and I'm gonna drag this. I'm gonna place it here. So in this way you can edit your 2D mesh area. And similarly, in case if you want to add some points to your existing mesh, so along the edges here, for example, so I want to add some more the vertices to this mesh here. So first you have to navigate to your the edge of this mesh here, and I'm gonna left click. So it's gonna drop a point. Similarly, if you want to add another point, you can drop another point using the left key. So you just have to click once here to add your point here. So you can able to see that. So to edit this particular point here, for example, I want to move this point upward. So in that case, make sure that you navigate to the over the point here and press and hold the left key in your mouse and drag this. And now you can able to see you can make some changes to it, and also you can add some points to it by navigating to that location and click once the left key. It's going to drop the point here, so you can able to see that. And similarly, if you want to undo this existing changes you've done, so you have to navigate this option called undo. So it's going to remove those point. And similarly, you can able to see this is the undo and redo. It's kind of useful. So for example, I'm going to click redo here, and I'm going to click undo. And these are the so it is kind of a useful thing. The useful tool is a geometry data editor tool. So in this way, you can edit your 2D mesh. So we have currently edited our perimeter here. So the next tool is we're gonna see that is this particular tool called plot terrain profile. So you're gonna click this. So this particular tool is actually it's gonna plot the terrain underneath the edge of the polygons here. So I'm gonna show you that. I'm gonna navigate to this option. I'm gonna click this. So now let me select this particular one here. So I'm gonna select this. So once you selected this mesh here, so you can able to see this. So one side which shows an elevation, and this particular one which shows the station distance in meters here. So you can able to see that. So this particular terrain profile, this is a terrain profile which shows the terrain profiles of this edge of this mesh we created. So I can able to see the terrain variation, which is clearly indicated here. So now I'm gonna close this, and the next tool is the tools options, which is given here. So I'm gonna click this down arrow button. So we have this different set of options here, starting with the copy feature, delete feature, and followed by the clip preserve and clip discard and filter feature. So we have this one option called filter feature. So I'm gonna click this. So in the filter feature here, we can make some adjustment to the number of points. So if you got a very complex structure, so I'm gonna close this. And the next tool is we're gonna navigate to edit mesh properties. So I'm gonna click this. So basically it takes you to the 2D flow area editor. So here you can set your point spacing, and followed by you can generate the computation points. And last, you can adjust your default Mannings in value here. And before closing this, make sure that you click this option called generate computation points. So once you did that, I'm gonna close this. So right now here you can able to see the computation points has been generated. Similarly, suppose I'm gonna make another edit here. For example, let me navigate here. I'm gonna double click, and the points appears here, and I'm gonna place a point here by left click on your mouse. So it's gonna place a point over here, and I'm gonna click left click and hold the left click, and I'm gonna drag this. And right now here you can able to see I'm gonna complete this one. I'm gonna double click again. So right now in this portion the computation points will be not generated here, so you can able to see that. So to generate that particular one, what you have to do is we're gonna again right click and click this option called generate computation points with all break lines for the mesh. So I'm gonna click S. So I'm gonna click this S. So right now here you can able to see the points is generated here. So whenever you make some edits to it, make sure that you right click and click this option called generate computation points. After you have completed your edits, make sure that you click this option using right click and select the option generate computation points. And this is how you can use your edit tool here to edit your mesh So right now, suppose I want to delete this particular one here. I'm going to select this particular one. So I've selected it, and I'm going to navigate to this option called tools, and in that I can select this option called delete feature. So right now it has deleted the mesh which we have created. And to save this edit, I'm gonna navigate to this option. I'm gonna right click on this, the perimeter. So once you right click on this and click this option called stop editing. So the window pop up saying, do you want to save the edits? Yes, I'm gonna save this edit. So I'm gonna click OK. So in this video, I have shown you how to edit a 2D mesh area using geometry data editor tool in HEC RAS 2D for flood modeling. So thanks for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel and give us a like.